This morning, whether you're noticing new bicycle infrastructure popping up throughout Sacramento or wondering how the existing things work, I spoke with the city to learn more and found out how local bicyclists are reacting. Bike boxes, bollards, or delineators, and bike signals, all things the city of Sacramento is using to make biking more comfortable and safe. I spoke to Deb Banks with the Sacramento area bicycle advocates and asked how she feels about some of the newer improvements, which she says are overall positive.
We love all of the new infrastructure. Love Fifth Street, that it's now two-way. The Central Mobility Project has been a really good thing for all of Sacramento, and particularly people that live in Midtown and downtown.
And the city of Sacramento has climate and traffic safety plans they say have created and will continue to create better and safer options for biking and walking. Some infrastructure has been in place for years, but the city's continuing to add more.
If you feel more comfortable, you're going to do it more often, and that's what we want from a clean air standpoint, et cetera. But it also means that the city is taking steps towards identifying and raising safety.
And Banks does acknowledge that new infrastructure could be confusing for people in cars and on bikes, and potentially intimidating for bicyclists. She says this means we all just need more awareness and continued education on how to navigate new things.
There's always a little bit of change. Change always creates a little turmoil, a little bit of chaos. It settles out in the end.
You may have noticed these bike signals popping up in your area. I'm told there are 7 total in the city, with new ones going in this past summer at Broadway and 16th and 21st and I Street.
The main purpose of the bike signals is to give a special indication for the bicycle movement that is separate from vehicular movements that might be in conflict with it.
Megan Carter, engineer with the city, says bikes can use the travel lane that vehicles use, but this makes it more comfortable and protected.
If you're a confident cyclist and you want to take a lane, go for it, take a lane, but make sure that you function like the other vehicles do.
And if you're a less confident cyclist, here's what Carter recommends.
If there's a bike signal at an intersection, you should use it because it is usually going to give you a green signal when all other travelway signals will be red.
And most of those bike signals have what Carter calls passive detection, but in some areas the cameras might have trouble seeing you. So I'm told the One Bike Tower Cafe that we just showed there, that has issues from time to time due to those shadows made by trees overhead. So there's actually a push button that bicyclists can press for that signal.